Hey guys, welcome back to another video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix try again letter error on Instagram on comment reply. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your Instagram is saying try again letter whenever you try to reply someone into the comments, you should do just one simple thing in order to solve this problem. Now, it might be because of your continuous use of the Instagram comments. In order to solve this issue, just simply close your Instagram application and after that disable all of your Wi-Fi's and mobile networks into your phone, and after that open your Instagram application and try replying in comments. Then after that your comment reply would most probably work into Instagram. By following these very easy things, you can easily solve try again letter error into your Instagram comment. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.